time for commandment number 7. Let's go! So the guy in the intro, his name is Bram. DJ Master B. And he's a DJ, but also the light jockey of the club. And the thing with light jockeys is they are staff. And they're working there 2, 3, 4 times a week. So to them it's just routine. And in all the clubs that I play, usually the light jockeys are doing a good job. But I can understand that it can be a lonely gig. Because you have to understand, the club is open from 10 to 6. That means he's standing in the same spot with the same lights for 8 hours. So it can get a little bit boring. He's not going to make me look bad, but still, you know, every time I go and DJ somewhere, I always strike a conversation with the light jockey. I want to know what brand they use. I want to know if they have custom shows, if he can do something live, those kind of stuff. And they're not used to that. They're used to just being by themselves the whole night and no one is paying attention to them. And suddenly the DJ is coming up to them and asking questions. So they're like, huh? Oh yeah, cool man. Yeah, and then suddenly they get energy and they show you all these stuff like, yeah, I can do this and I can do that. I can project your name here and your name there. I got something else that I never use, but tonight I'm going to use it for you. And then I get excited and I'm asking, yeah, show me what you got. And then he's going to show me some laser show, technical stuff, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, cool, I got a few songs and I got a couple of breakdowns and a couple of build-ups and maybe we can do this and that and then blah, 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 blah. And suddenly we're best friends and the whole night when I'm DJing we're making eye contact and he's like, yeah, it's coming, blah, blah, blah. And he's doing this amazing thing with fireworks that nobody in the club has ever seen before. And I'm like, yeah, thanks man. And he's like, yeah bro, I got you man. And we're like DJing and he's doing his thing. And then I'm grabbing the mic and I'm saying, everybody give it up for the light jockey. And suddenly the whole crowd is cheering the light jockey. The light jockey has no idea what's happening. This never happened to me before. He's getting a red face. Oh my God, he's pressing buttons. Suddenly his colleagues behind the bar are also jumping in. And one of them is running to the back. Where's that guy going? What's going on? Is there a fire? And then suddenly he comes back with all these fireworks and foam cannons and all these crazy stuff. They're grabbing these horns and fireworks and all these kind of confetti stuff. And suddenly it's one big festival in a small club, right? And at the end of the night, all the staff is coming to me and saying, yo DJ, this was the best night ever, man. We finally had a good time at our job, man. We want you back next week, yo. Can you come back next week? Well, yeah, I know, thank, yeah, I wanna, you know, I'll see what I can do, you know. Yeah. And that's what can happen when you involve staff. It's not only you as a DJ catering to the crowd, but suddenly you have a whole team that's doing the same thing and hyping you up. Because don't forget, you are still the DJ and you are getting credits for the success of the whole night, even though it was a team effort. And that's why you need to involve staff. They already have to do this the whole night. Here you go, $5. They just want to have fun. So if you can make sure they are having fun, they will make sure you look good and you will be booked again. And it's not only you as a DJ. There was a small period I was doing my own events. And I was having such a good time with the staff of this club. I took them with me to my own events. And they were working for me now. So back to Bram, DJ Master B. Everywhere where I went, Bram went. He was my main warming up DJ. And after he was done warming up and I took over, he went to the light jockey and did the same thing. Guiding the light jockey, involving the staff, everybody's having a good time and I'm getting all the credits. Commandment number 7. Peace out.